Are you looking to explode your social media content but don't know what the next steps are? Let me show you how we have had success in social media. Hey, Jordan Mayton here, and I've been filming now for social media for at least 4 or 5 years. I do hundreds of videos, and of course now I'm pushing a great deal of content with the Abundant Broker series. And what I would say is your brand is your face. It's not necessarily as important as what you're saying and what you're putting out there as it is that you have consistency in putting yourself out there. If people like you, they know, like, and trust you, they're gonna do business with you. Your mission is basically to stay in front of them, and that's the beauty of social media. You might not be able to go and meet 100 people every single day, but you can have them see you on social media every single day. But there's some basic topics that I would start with, starting with just how's the market? Everyone wants to know what's going on in the market. Every month there's a market update. It comes through the MLS. You can just regurgitate those numbers so people know what's happening. I always recommend what my first mentor told me, which is you go, you sell a house, and you tell everyone about it, which is, hey, I got a property that's coming on the market. I'm so excited about it. Hey, here's me filming the property. Hey, here's us doing an open house on the property. Hey, I just got an offer on the property. We're pending. Here's some repairs that are a little difficult. Hey, I closed the property. Who's next? You're going through the entire life of that sale. That adds a lot of value so people know that you're actively in real estate. Another great thing is to just talk about what the values are. What do you bring to the table? I do this, I do that. I'm really a referral-based agent, or I do a lot of online leads, or I have an immense success doing open houses or working with my database. Everyone has a niche that they go in. I recommend you pick one niche and go all in on that and talk about it on video. Talk about what you've experienced. Get permission of other real estate brokers to take photos of their listings, give them credit, of course, and say, God, look at this cool house that Jacob just listed at ABC Realty. Isn't it awesome? I'd love to find a buyer for this property. So just a couple good ideas. The most important thing is just to start. Just start, right? Make sure you're getting out there. Don't take too many takes. You don't have to do 1,000 takes. If you mess up every once in a while, it makes it more real. It's a better video. So, hey, I wish you the best in your content creation. I can't wait to see you growing your brand in 2023.